Hi, this is Cayman with S&B, and today we're going to be doing an install on this stock Explorer ST. This is a 2020 that has the OEM blow-off valve. We're going to be doing the whole lineup of S&B products. First is going to be the front scoop. So this goes right behind the grill, helps you direct air into the S&B intake kit. So we'll be doing the S&B intake kit as well, which is our first product for the Explorer ST. We're going to be doing our cold side pipe with the blow-off valve. Then we're also going to show you what it looks like to have the cold side pipe without the blow-off valve installed. So that'll be the full silicone wrapped hose. S&B hot side pipe, which replaces all the hot side piping, that'll be installed. So we're going to get you some sound clips before. We'll get you some sound clips after. You'll see the difference. It's going to look a whole lot better and sound absolutely awesome. So we got the S&B hot side pipe for the Explorer ST out here on the table. This is the OEM piping, and just a couple things to point out between the OEM and the S&B. You can see the OEM really next down here in front of the driver's side turbo, next down all the way to 1.6 on the OD. And you can see in that same spot on the S&B, we're at 2.8, so almost double the dimension. We go over the engine bay, the OEM goes underneath. We really try to minimize the amount of bends, limit the restriction. But you can see we use just a whole bunch, the tubes are just way bigger on the S&B, higher flowing. Our cold side pipe with the blow-off valve for the Explorer ST is quite a bit bigger than the stock. You can see the differences here. The stock essentially just pancakes right here to avoid the coolant tank. We hold the same diameter throughout. Really no restrictions. They clamp down again for these metal rings. We use T-bolt clamps, stainless steel, super nice looking piece, and flows absolutely awesome. Scoop installed on this Explorer ST. You can see it looks awesome. It's a huge scoop. And what's really cool too, no drilling or cutting required. We simply just tap into the existing bolt, take out the bolt, install the bracket, install the scoop, put it back in. Then after you install the shroud, you can see how it just directs the ram air right into the intake kit. And you can see here is what it looks like. Matches the ST logo. A nice big air grabber right there in the front of the grill.